Struggling to save enough money and build up your nest egg? You're not alone. Saving can be a difficult process and it's easy to get overwhelmed. To help you out, I'm sharing 50 incredible tips that you must know in order to save money. From budgeting to finding deals, I break down the best strategies to help you live within your means and start building wealth. 1. Create a budget. Start by setting up a budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. 2. Track your expenses. Keep a record of all your expenses to help you identify areas where you can cut back. 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your expenses and eliminate any unnecessary or discretionary spending. 4. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so try cooking at home to save on dining expenses. 5. Use coupons and discounts. Look for coupons, discounts, and promotions when shopping to save on costs. 6. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money on groceries, household items, and other products. 7. Comparison shop. Compare prices before making a purchase to ensure you get the best deal. 8. Negotiate prices. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices when making big purchases, such as a car or furniture. 9. Use public transportation. Using public transportation or carpooling can save you money on gas and parking fees. 10. Limit impulse buying. Avoid impulsive purchases and stick to your budget. 11. Plan your meals. Plan your meals in advance and shop accordingly to avoid unnecessary food waste and expenses. 12. Cut down on entertainment costs. Find free or low-cost entertainment options, such as parks, libraries, or community events. 13. Cancel unused subscriptions. Review your subscriptions and cancel any that you don't use or need. 14. Save on utilities. Turn off lights and electronics when not in use, and adjust your thermostat to save on electricity and cooling costs. 15. Pay bills on time. Avoid late fees by paying your bills on time and in full. 16. Avoid debt. Try to avoid taking on unnecessary debt and pay off existing debt as soon as possible. 17. Build an emergency fund. Set aside money in an emergency fund for unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs. 18. Save for retirement. Start saving for retirement early and take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans or individual retirement accounts, IRAs. 19. Find ways to increase your income. Look for ways to earn extra money, such as freelancing or part-time jobs. 20. DIY home repairs. Learn basic home repair skills to save on maintenance costs. 21. Use hand-me-downs or buy used. Consider using hand-me-downs or buying used items for clothes, furniture, and other household items. 22. Avoid unnecessary bank fees. Be aware of bank fees and choose accounts that have low or no fees. 23. Be mindful of your energy usage. Conserve energy by turning off lights, unplugging electronics, and using energy-efficient appliances. 24. Save on water bills. Fix leaks, use low-flow faucets and shower heads, and limit water usage to save on water bills. 25. Plan your travel in advance. Booking flights, hotels, and transportation in advance can help you save on travel expenses. 26. Avoid ATM fees. Use ATMs from your bank or credit union to avoid ATM fees. 27. Find free or low-cost hobbies. Look for hobbies that are free or low-cost, such as hiking, biking, or reading. 28. Use a shopping list. Make a shopping list and stick to it to avoid unnecessary purchases. 29. Avoid credit card debt. Pay off your credit card balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. 30. Save on beauty and grooming expenses. Cut your own hair, do your own manicures, or find budget-friendly salons or barbers. 31. Avoid unnecessary bank charges. Keep track of your bank account balance and avoid overdraft fees. 32. DIY gifts. Make your own gifts for special occasions to save on gift expenses. 33. Plan ahead for special occasions. Plan and budget for special occasions, such as birthdays, holidays, and anniversaries, in advance to avoid last-minute expenses. 34. Use cashback or rewards credit cards. Utilize credit cards that offer cashback or rewards for your everyday purchases, and pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. 35. Save on groceries. Use grocery store flyers, loyalty programs, and discounts to save on your grocery bills. 36. DIY home cleaning products. Make your own cleaning products at home using simple ingredients to save on cleaning expenses. 37. Cut down on unnecessary subscriptions. Review your subscriptions, such as streaming services, gym memberships, and magazine subscriptions, and cancel any that you don't use or need. 38. Opt for generic brands. Choose generic or store brand products instead of branded items to save on costs. 39. Avoid impulse shopping. Avoid impulsive purchases and wait 24 hours before making a non-essential purchase to avoid buyer's remorse. 40. Take advantage of free resources. Utilize free resources such as community events, workshops, or online tutorials for personal and professional development. 41. Repair instead of replacing. Fix broken items, such as clothes, shoes, or household appliances, instead of buying new ones. 42. Save on housing costs. Consider downsizing or finding a more affordable place to live to save on rent or mortgage payments. 43. Use free financial tools. Take advantage of free budgeting apps or financial tools to help you manage your expenses and savings goals. 44. Avoid unnecessary fees. Be mindful of fees associated with services such as banking, investment, or credit cards, and opt for lower fee options if possible. 45. Cut down on alcohol and dining out. Limit alcohol consumption and dining out expenses to special occasions to save on costs. 46. Do your own home maintenance. Learn basic home maintenance skills, such as fixing a leaky faucet or unclogging a drain, to save on repair costs. 47. Utilize free or discounted services. Look for free or discounted services, such as community programs, student discounts, or senior citizen discounts, for various services like healthcare, transportation, or entertainment. 48. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Evaluate your spending habits and avoid unnecessary expenses, such as impulse purchases, luxury items, or excessive spending on non-essential items. 49. Save on transportation costs. Use public transportation, carpool, bike, or walk whenever possible to save on transportation costs. 50. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation. Avoid increasing your expenses with every pay raise or promotion and continue to live within your means to save and invest for the future. Remember, saving money is a habit that requires discipline and consistency. Start small, prioritize your expenses, and find ways to cut costs wherever possible. Over time, these small changes can add up and help you achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching.